Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have learnt exercise 10.1 and we have completed that. Exercise 10.1 is based on perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. Here L represents length, B represents breadth. Perimeter of a square formula 4 into side. 4 into S means 4 into side. That one we have learnt and we have completed. Here we are going to learn about area. Area is nothing but inside part. If I have drawn one rectangle here, then the amount of the surface enclosed by its closed figure here inside part is called area. In local and find out area antaru. Perimeter means to measure around is called perimeter. Chuttukalmani perimeter antaru. Local and find out area antaru. Area ki formula ఏంటి? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. The amount of surface enclosed by its closed figure is called its area. Surface means లోపల ఉన్న స్థలం క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్ లోపల ఎంత ప్లేస్ ఉందో దాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఏరియా. We have to find the area. We have to measure the area in square centimeters or square meters. Square centimeters or square meters. Square meters. Because to find the area we have to use square box only. If you want to find the area, graph paper is very essential for you. Graph paper ని యూజ్ చేసి తొందరగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. సో గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్ లో ప్రతి గ్రాఫ్ అనేది బాక్స్ స్క్వేర్ షేప్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ టు సే దట్ square meters or square centimeters. If they ask 16 meters, then you have to say 16 square meters. If they said 16 square centimeters, then you have to say 16 square centimeters. Based on the question, you have to say meters and centimeters, but instead of that, in front of that, you have to use square. Because to find the area for any figure, graph paper is very easy to understand. Graph paper అయితే ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకసారి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూడండి. హియర్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఏరియా క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్స్ అండ్ లైక్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఈజీలీ. బట్ నౌ సీ ద ఫిగర్ హౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్. We cannot find the area of this figure. We can find, but it is somewhat it is difficult. So if the figures are like this, then you have to use graph paper to find the area of this. So you kept this figure on the graph paper. Then you have to count how many boxes this figure has occupied. Total square full boxes ni count cheyali. Any full boxes count chese any full boxes ni occupy chesinదో దాని ఏరియా ఏమవుతుందంటే అంత అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? The boxes which are half, then you have to leave. ఇట్లా ఉన్నాడో లీవ్ చేయాలన్న. మొత్తం ఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి మాత్రమే కౌంట్ చేయాలి. ఇట్లా 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 square units. 18 square centimeters are units are 18 square centimeters are meters we have to say. Okay, like that. సో ఏరియాని అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవడానికి గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్ చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్ వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆల్సో. ఫార్ములాని యూజ్ చేసి కూడా ఏరియాని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ చాప్టర్ వీఆర్ లర్నింగ్ అబౌట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ అబౌట్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ అబౌట్ రెక్టాంగిల్ వీఆర్ లర్న్. సో టుడే we'll learn about the formula of area of rectangle and area of the square. So what is the definition of the area, Nana? The amount of the surface enclosed by its closed figure is called area. Then to find the area of the rectangle, then area of a rectangle formula is equal. In this rectangle it is length, it is breadth. Then by multiplying both length and breadth, you will get the area of the rectangle. So area of a rectangle formula is equal area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal length into breadth. What you have to say? Length into breadth. Then that is in shortcut we have to say L into B also. Here L represents length, B represents breadth. At the same time, if you want to find the area of a square, to find the area of a square in a square all sides are equal. If you say take one side yes. So area of a square is equal to by multiplying these two sides or any two sides. By multiplying any two sides, we will get the area of the square. So you have to say side into side Otherwise, in the short you can say that as S into S. Why S into S means side first letter S, side second letter S, so S into S. Here also length into breadth, like that you have to say. Okay, these are the formulas for a rectangle and square. Perimeter of a rectangle form, area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth, area of a square formula, side into side. By using these two formulas, we have to complete exercise 10.2. So directly we will go to exercise 10.2. First bit, find the area of the rectangles with the given sides. If you have both length and breadth, then you have to assume that that is rectangle only. మీకు ఒకవేళ లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఇస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా రెక్టాంగిల్ అవుతుందని, ఎందుకంటే స్క్వేర్ కి లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఉండవు. Why? Because in a square all sides are equal. So if you get two measurements, then you have to assume that that is exactly rectangle only. So exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. First bit. Find the area of the rectangles with the given sides. First bit. Find the area of the rectangles. Find the area of the rectangles with the given sides. With the given sides. By using these sides, we have to find both. Find the area of the rectangle. So first question they have given 50 centimeters and 20 centimeters. So one we have to take as length, another one we have to take as breadth. So length is equal to 50, breadth is equal to 20. So like this, draw one rectangle and assume that one is length and another one is breadth. For all you have to draw like this only, and kilane draw 50 centimeters, 20 centimeters. If it is 50, it is also 50. If it is 20, it is also 20. For all figures, you have to draw the rectangle like this only. First take first one as one is length, other one is breadth. Then you have to find like this one all are. So area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to, that is length into breadth, L into B. What is the length here? 50 into, what is the breadth? 20. Then multiply these two. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 zeros you will get as it is. Now that it is 1000 square centimeters. 1000 square centimeters. Understand? Remaining all problems are you have to complete like that only. 4 are there. Out of that 4 I have explained 1. Remaining 3 problems are your homework. Second one, 65 into 45, 25 into 16, 17 into 9. Now 79 is 163 kilometers, like that you will get. So multiply both. We render multiplication style. Remaining all are like that only. Second one, find the area of squares with the given sides. Find the area of square. Squares with the given sides. First question, 26 meters. First question, 26 meters. Second bit, first one, 26 meters. 26 meters. Now draw one square. Remaining problems draw this column. If one side is 26, then remaining all sides also 26 only, because in a square all sides are equal. Any sides equal kabatti and 26 avutundi. So side of a square is equal to, side of a square is equal to 26 meters. Then area of a square formula, side into side. Area of a square is equal side into side. For formula you have to draw the box like this. Ila draw cheyali box ni. Then side into side ante 26 into 26. Multiply 26 into 26, how much we will get? 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 6 7 6. We got 676 square. In short form we can write square meters. SQ ante square, M ante meters. Square meters you have to write. So for remaining 3 problems you have to draw the square and you have to find the solution like this only as it is. Okay. Now third question. The area of a rectangular frame is 1125 square centimeters. If its width is 25 centimeters, what is its length? Then they have given area and width, means breadth only. By using that area and breadth, we have to find the length of that rectangle. So what they have given, we have to write that first. Well, let's say first. Third solution. Area of rectangular frame is equal to area of rectangular. Area of rectangular frame is equal to 1125 square centimeters. Then its width, they have given width is equal to 25 centimeters. Now we have to find the length. Length we don't know, so length is equal to question mark. To find the length, what we have to do? Area of a rectangle formula. Area of a rectangle is equal. Area of a rectangle formula is L into B. To find the length, what we have to do? We have to multiply the area of a rectangle. We know that is 1125 is equal. Length we don't know. Length as it is. Breadth we don't know. That is 25. So we will write, to find the length, what we have to do? We have to divide this 25 with 1125. So 1125 divides by 25 is equal to length. So to find the length is equal to, on dividing 1125 by 1125 by 25, then we will get 45 centimeters. How? Children, 25 ni 1125 to divide chese emostundi. 25 4s are 100. 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 0 1. Bring down this 5. 25 5s are 125. So like this, 45 is the answer. Like that, length is the answer. Length is equal to 45 centimeters. Understand? So third problem has completed. Next fourth problem is there. So you have to write length is equal to 45 centimeters. Then fourth solution is, the length of a rectangular field is 60 meters and the breadth is half of its length. Then find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. Fourth solution. The length of a rectangular field is, length is equal to breadth is half of its length. Breadth is half its length. Breadth అనేది length లో half ఉంటుందంట నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు length 60 ఉంటే breadth ఏమవుతుంది? half అంటే 30. Its length. So you have to write here సగం కాబట్టి 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. 60 by 2 it gives 30 meters. Now we know we got the length and breadth, then we'll find the area. Area of a rectangle formula. Area of a rectangle is equal length into breadth. For formula you have to draw the box. Then length is how much? Length is 60, breadth is 30. 6 3s are 18, 2 zeros as it is. 1800 square meters. Like that. Okay. Fourth solution has completed. Next, fifth solution. A sheet of paper has a sheet of paper has a perimeter of 40 meters. What is the length of each side? And also find the area of the square sheet. They have given a square sheet of paper has a perimeter of 40. They have given perimeter. By using that perimeter, we have to side of the square and area by square we have to find. Both we have to find. Then fifth solution. Fifth solution. A square sheet of a paper For that square they have given the perimeter. This perimeter they have given the perimeter is 40 centimeters. Perimeter they have given as 40 centimeters. Then write perimeter of a square is equal. Perimeter of a square is equal 40 centimeters. Then perimeter of a square formula entana. Perimeter of a square is equal. Perimeter of a square is equal 4 into side. Then 4 into s is equal to 40. Then side is equal to 40 divided by 4. In 4 times 40 is possible, that is 10 times, that is 10 centimeters. Then side of the square is 10 centimeters. Side of the square is how much? Side of the square is 10 centimeters. Then by using this side, what we have to find? What is the length of its side? Length of the side square is 10 centimeters. Then also find the area of the square sheet. So area of a square formula, area of a square is equal. Area of a square formula is side into side. Side into side means how much we got the side, Nana? 10. So we have to multiply 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 square centimeters. Fifth solution has completed. Next, sixth one. The area of a rectangular plot is 2400 square meters and its length is 1 into 1 by 2 meter times to its breadth. Then what is its perimeter? Length అనేది breadth కి 1 into 1 by 2 meters ఉంటుందంట. So we have to take the breadth as x. Then by using the breadth we find the solution. So sixth solution. The area of a rectangular plot is 2400 square meters. So area of a rectangle is equal rectangular plot is equal to 2400 square meters. And the length is its length is 1 into 1 by 2 times to its breadth. They said that ఈ length అనేది breadth కి 1 into 1 by 2 meters ఉంటుంది నాన్న. So 1 into 1 by 2 we convert 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. breadth 3 by 2 లాగా ఉంటుంది, length ఏమో as is గా ఉంటుంది. So length ఎంత ఉందంటే breadth కి 3 by 2 ఉంటుందంట. So we'll take breadth as x, length as 3 by 2 x. ఇదే 3 by 2 ఉంటుందంట. ఈ breadth అనేది length కు 3 by 2 ఉంటుందంట. So we are using that we have to find the area. So length we will take, breadth we will take as x. Breadth is equal to x. Then what about length? For length we have one formula, one clue, that is 3 by 2 into breadth. 3 by 2 breadth అని తీసుకున్నాము, x తీసుకున్నాము. So it will becomes 3x by 2 అవుతుంది. So area of a rectangle ఎంత? Area of a rectangle is equal to 2400 square meters. Area of a rectangle formula, area of a rectangle is equal L into B. For this formula you have to draw the box. So length is how much, Nana? Length is 3x by 2 into breadth. Breadth అంటే x కాబట్టి x by 1 గా తీసుకోండి, 2400. Now 3x into x, that is 3x square by 2 ones are 2 is equal to 2400. 3x square is equal to 2400 into 2. Because it is in division, when it is in division, when it goes to LHS లో మనం division లో ఉంది, RHS లో పంపిస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది. So 3x square is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 4800. So we need to find the value of x. Then x square is equal to, now 3 అనేది LHS లో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లో ఉంది అనాలిసిస్ లో పంపిస్తే ఏమవుతుందనా డివిజన్ 4800 డివైడెడ్ బై 3 3 టైప్ లో 48 వస్తుందా yes 16 3s are 48 3 zeros are 0 3 zeros are 0 we can write x square as x into x by multiplying which two same numbers we'll get the answer 1600 4 4s are 16 at the same time 40 40s are 1600 so the value of x is 40 centimeters or meters 40 meters 40 means x means ఏమనుకున్నాం x అంటే లెంత్ ఆ బ్రెడ్త్ ఆ బ్రెడ్త్ x కాబట్టి breadth is equal to 40 breadth is equal to 40 meters by using this breadth we have to find the length is equal to 3 by 2 into x otherwise 3 by 2x 3 by 2 into the value of x is 40 that is 2 1s are 2 2 20s are 40 so 23s are 60 meters now we got the length and breadth by using this length and breadth we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to perimeter of a rectangle is equal to formula 2 into L plus B that is 2 into length is how much length 60 plus breadth 40 40 plus 60 is 100 100 2s are 200 so this it is 200 centimeters area is 2400 perimeter is 200 centi so 200 meters only not centimeters so up to here you have to complete your homework remaining 7 8 9 10 11 12 problems we will learn in the next class up to here you have to complete okay children